Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know to move to Norway in 2025 as a foreign worker. We will go through the complete work visa application process, step by step, so you can understand what to prepare and how to increase your chances of approval. Norway is known for high salaries, safe cities, excellent healthcare, and stunning natural landscapes like fjords and mountains. Many foreign workers dream of moving there, but the visa process can seem confusing. With the right guidance, it can be straightforward. The most common type of work visa is the residence permit for skilled workers. To apply, you need a valid job offer from a Norwegian employer. The job must usually be full-time or at least 80% of full-time hours. The employment contract should clearly mention your job title, working hours, and salary. Norway requires that foreign workers are paid the same as local employees for the same position. This ensures fairness and prevents underpayment. Qualifications are important. Most applicants need higher education, like a bachelor's degree, or at least 3 years of vocational training relevant to their job. Immigration authorities carefully check that your qualifications match the role. Once you have your job offer, the next step is to submit your application online at the official immigration website. Create an account, select the skilled worker permit with an employer in Norway, and pay the application fee. In some cases, your employer can submit the application on your behalf. After submitting online, you must book an appointment to submit your documents and provide biometrics. This usually happens at a Norwegian embassy, consulate, or visa application center, depending on your location. Bring all required documents to your appointment, including passport, signed employment contract, educational certificates, CV, and any licenses if your profession is regulated. Follow the official checklist exactly, as missing documents can cause delays or rejection. While your application is being processed, some applicants may request an entry visa to travel to Norway while waiting. However, this visa does not automatically allow you to work. In special cases, employers can request early permission for you to start working, but strict conditions apply. Once approved, you will receive a visa sticker if required. This allows you to travel to Norway. After arrival, visit the police to complete biometrics, if not done already, and to order your residence card, which proves you are legally allowed to live and work in Norway. Another important step is registering with the Norwegian Tax Administration. You need a tax deduction card. Without it, your employer must deduct 50% of your salary. At this office, you will also receive a D number, a temporary identification number. If staying in Norway for more than 6 months, you must report your move to the population register to get a permanent national identity number. To increase your chances of approval, make sure your job matches your qualifications, follow the checklist carefully, and never start working before you have legal permission. Many applications are rejected because the job does not require higher education or documentation is missing. To summarize, the steps include securing a job offer, submitting your application online, booking an appointment, handing in documents and biometrics, waiting for the decision, receiving your visa if needed, traveling to Norway, getting your residence card, registering with the tax office, and reporting your move if staying long-term. By following these steps carefully, you can successfully move to Norway in 2025 and start your career and life in one of the most beautiful and prosperous countries in the world. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more guides on working abroad. Comment below if you want tips on finding jobs in Norway before applying for the visa.